In the latest Portal review, the team dives into Quantum Realm's engine powering open worlds with real-time global illumination. We compare PC and PS5 frame packing, highlighting adaptive resolution, memory management, and lightning fast load times across mobile integration. The analysis covers a breakthrough in AI-driven NPCs that adapt to player style without sacrificing performance on cloud streaming. Gameplay footage from new titles demonstrates tactile haptics, ray-traced reflections, and cross-platform syncing in real time. Viewers gain practical tips on optimizing settings for each platform while the show explores future trends like unified cross-platform ecosystems.